We're going to make a single crochet. I am going to make it on a scrap piece of yarn with a scrap piece of yarn with 10 chains or 12, however many you want to practice on. This is what the single crochet would look like. This yellow on the bottom is just your regular chain that we made, okay? This is what a single crochet look like, the height of it. This is just a group of single crochet, so you get a better idea what it looks like. You have this option for single crochet. This is also single crochet. See, there's a texture on this. It's almost like it's ribbed because this is exactly what it is. Okay, I'm going to show you this flat texture first, and then I'm going to show you the ribbed texture. Okay. So with everything you make, you always have to have a turning chain. If you're making anything square or rectangle, it's got to have a turning chain. Okay, with your single crochet, it's a short stitch, so you're going to have one chain. Okay, now these are all your chains right here. See the yarn? See that little line? See it? Okay, so we just made this first one, so we're not going in that. We're going in this second one. In order for you to recognize it, look at these here. See it? Okay, so this one here is what we're going to. We're just going to take the needle, just with the needle in the loop, and we're going to stick it in on the bottom there. This is the second one. Stick it in, loop your yarn over, and pull it through there. So you have that one loop on the bottom. Now you have two loops on your needle. Yarn over and pull through both loops. That's your first single crochet. Okay? Now there's your other yarn right there, your other loop right there, I should say. Take the needle, push it through that loop, pull your yarn through it, yarn over the needle, and pull through. And now you have two loops on the needle. Yarn over and pull through both loops. That's your second single crochet. Again, push your needle in that last loop, yarn over your needle, hook it, and pull it through. Two hooks on the needle, yarn over, pull through two loops. Again, needle in the hoop or loop, yarn over the needle back there, hook it, pull it through. You have two, yarn over, and pull through the two. Again, stick your needle right there into that loop, pull it from the back, yarn over the needle, hook it, pull it through. Mine keeps getting caught right there. Pull it through. You have two loops on the needle. Yarn over or the hook and pull through both loops. Again, needle into that loop, push it on the bottom, yarn over the needle, hook it, and pull it through. You have two. Yarn over and pull through both loops on the hook. Again, needle in, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, and pull through. There's your single crochet. Now to go to the other side, you're going to make one chain and you're going to turn your work. Now you're working in these loops. You see these spaces right here? You're working in these spaces. Okay? So needle, the hook in your hand, goes into the first space there, hooks the yarn, pulls it through, and you have two. Yarn over, go through. Take the needle, stick it in the space, hook your yarn, pull it through, two, yarn over, and pull through two. Again, needle in that space, hook, pull through, yarn over, go through two. Needle goes into space, hook it, pull it through, yarn over, needle, and then pull it through. Again, push it through, hook it, pull it through, yarn over the needle, and then pull it through. And that's your 2 rows of single crochet. Now this option here will get you this flat option. See, the yellow is your chain stitch on the bottom, which is your base. This is your first row of single crochet, the height of it. And this is what it would look like when you continuously do it. That is your single crochet.